If you're looking for a beautiful getaway where you can enjoy the water and spectacular views all year long, Harford County, Maryland should be your next destination. From amazing sights and jaw-dropping scenery to endless adventures on the water, there is truly something for everyone. Bar Harbor RV Park and Marina has been a four-generation family-owned business for over 60 years on this beautiful peninsula facing the Bush River, which is about 30 minutes away from Baltimore's Inner Harbor. All you have to do is bring your RV and you've got everything you need for a serene and beautiful stay. You can choose your own adventure here, do some fishing, check out the wildlife, or even take some time to yourself to relax with nature. There is also a pool, bathhouse, piers, and boat slips available to check out. We even rented a boat today to add to the fun. Our second destination is the perfect place to host your next toast, the premier venue in this area, Water's Edge Event Center. The state-of-the-art facility located in Belcamp, Maryland is perfect for any upcoming event, meeting, conference, or wedding of any size. The stunning views are picture perfect.
One thing that we see our clients looking for is they're always looking for customization. So our team really excels at customizing different events, whether it's a wedding, a social event, or whether it's a high-end government meeting. The team is ready to jump in and detail it out so that it's a perfect event.
Now this is something we can cheers to. It's truly been smooth sailing. Now let's head to our next must-see destination, the Bay Sales School of Sailing. Just a quick trip from Philadelphia and Baltimore. The Bay Sales School of Sailing on the top of the Chesapeake Bay in Maryland is the place to go for anyone who wants to dive into the world of boating. From their team of certified instructors on boats ranging from 22 to 38 feet long.
If you're here to visit, whether it's for a day or for a weekend or even maybe a little bit longer, this really fits in well for the simple fact that we do have those evening cruises or even just a day on the water to see the Chesapeake Bay. We've had many people come down from different parts of the country actually to get their certifications, their sailing certifications. And so what they'll do is they'll call us ahead of time, and if we have the room, we'll let them stay on one of the boats. That way they'll get a completely unique experience and be able to share those stories with their friends and families at home.
This is the perfect destination for a long weekend. I had such a blast learning to sail today and taking in all the picturesque views that Harford County, Maryland has to offer. I cannot wait till my next trip. If you want to plan a trip of your own, head to visitharford.com.